If you're chasing a camera that effortlessly blends high-speed performance with stunning image quality and also doubles as a powerhouse for video creators, then stick around. Today we're diving deep into the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, a mirrorless marvel that's capturing a lot of buzz. But does it truly live up to the hype? Let's find out together. Hi, I'm Brian from the Inspect Aspect. In this video, we'll take a balanced look at the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, Canon's latest full-frame mirrorless camera that promises to excel in both still photography and video production. With a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, DIGIC X processor, advanced autofocus, and 6K video oversampling, this camera packs serious tech beneath the hood. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an enthusiastic creator, we'll explore what makes this camera tick and where it might fall short. Exceptional autofocus system. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II features Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with outstanding subject detection capabilities. It's capable of tracking people, animals, and vehicles effortlessly, making it ideal for fast-paced shooting scenarios and ensuring sharp focus in both stills and video. This responsive autofocus dramatically reduces missed shots and keeps your subject perfectly framed no matter the movement. Robust, continuous shooting performance. This camera offers up to 40 frames per second in electronic shutter mode and 12 FPS using the mechanical shutter. Such speed is fantastic for sports, wildlife, or any action photography where capturing the decisive moment is critical. Paired with a deep buffer and fast card write speeds, you can shoot longer bursts without hesitation. Advanced video capabilities. With 6K video oversampling and internal 4K recording up to 60 FPS, the R6 Mark II brings cinematic quality video within reach. The DIGIC X processor handles noise and stabilization expertly, while features like HDR, PQ, and Canon log support give videographers ample flexibility in post-production. In addition, the full-frame sensor allows for beautiful background separation and low-light performance in video work. In-body image stabilization, IBIS. The R6 Mark II boasts up to 5 stops of shake correction, which is a game-changer for low-light handheld shooting. This stabilization works seamlessly with Canon's RF lenses, reducing camera shake and enabling sharp images even at slower shutter speeds. Great for both photographers and vloggers on the move. Resolution limitation for pixel peepers. While 24.2 megapixels hits a sweet spot for many users, some photographers looking for ultra-high resolution for large prints or extensive cropping might feel limited. It's not a resolution powerhouse compared to some rivals, but focuses instead on speed and video performance. Overheating in extended 4K video. Despite its advanced video features, users have reported noticeable overheating during prolonged 4K recording sessions, especially at higher frame rates. This can interrupt shooting and make it less suitable for lengthy videos without breaks or external cooling solutions. Menu system complexity. The EOS R6 Mark II inherits Canon's extensive and sometimes convoluted menu system. New users or those transitioning from other brands might find the layered menus and settings overwhelming, requiring a learning curve to unlock the camera's full potential efficiently. Limited built-in flash and no fully articulating screen. Unlike some competitors, the R6 Mark II does not offer a built-in flash, which could be inconvenient in situations requiring quick fill light without extra gear. Additionally, the rear LCD is a vari-angle screen, but not a fully articulating one, which might limit flexible shooting angles, especially for vloggers or solo creators wanting forward-facing display functionality. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is clearly engineered with a balanced approach, prioritizing speed, autofocus intelligence, and versatile video features while maintaining solid image quality. It excels as a hybrid camera for creators who demand fast and reliable performance both for stills and motion capture, without diving into ultra-high-resolution territory. Its drawbacks, such as overheating during extended recording and a somewhat dense menu system, are manageable but worth considering depending on your workflow. On the Inspect Aspect scale, I'd give it a 7.5 precision pulse rating. This reflects its superb autofocus heartbeat and shooting speed, tempered with moderation due to a few operational quirks. If you value an all-around camera that can keep pace with demanding subjects and offer creative flexibility, the R6 Mark II deserves a serious look. Be sure to check the link on your screen and in the description for the best prices and deals. Thanks for watching. This is Brian from the Inspect Aspect, signing off until next time.